Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. The VeChain price is still in one of the two patterns, blue or white. Yeah, both are bullish. So I'm looking for further upside trend continuation, either directly, which is the white scenario, or after a deeper pullback in the blue count. We would also expect further trend continuation. Important is that VeChain holds the 1.8 cent level in any pullback now to at least keep the blue scenario alive, in which we should see a third wave, a substantial third wave rally to the upside as soon as the wave 2 is completed. But first of all, let's actually see if the blue count or the white count is unfolding. In the white count, I mean, we already reacted to the upper support area. We've got two support areas here. I shared that with you in the last videos already. The upper support area, which the price reacted to already, is basically relevant for the white scenario, in which the price is forming a larger A, B, C structure, and we could have started a C wave to the upside that might reach the area between 7.8 cents and 15.7 cents next. But it will depend on the subwave structure, well, to determine basically the next key targets. I mean, looking at this, if wave 2 really bottomed in the white count, basically we're dealing with a 5-wave move in the C wave. Yeah? If the wave 2 already bottomed in the white count, then a target for the third wave to the upside in the white count is minimally the 1.236 extension, but better the 1.38. I already have it here on the chart. That's 10.8 cents, okay, for the third wave in the C wave. So that's where I would like the price to see actually next if the white count is unfolding. The price doesn't really give me third wave vibes yet, okay, so it doesn't really look like a clear third wave. But it's possible. So as long as the last swing low is holding at 3.7 cents, the third wave has a chance. But we first of all need to see the price break above resistance, which is at 5.07 cents. This is only standard resistance, so it might not necessarily stop the price. What I want to say is that in the blue count, in which we're in a larger correction, this is a B wave rally, and B waves don't always respect standard resistance levels, so B waves can overshoot and trick us into believing that we're already in a breakout, but actually it's just a corrective B wave. So I'm not impressed yet by this price action. Surely VeChain reacted to the upper support area, it reacted to the 50% fib level, but it hasn't really given me those clear indications that we are already in a proper breakout. It's possible though, but we need to see first a break above 5.07 cents, and then, to be honest, I need to see the price hold a higher low in any pullback. So if it pulls back in a deep retracement and cannot hold a higher low, then it's clearly the blue count. I mean, that's how we can distinguish between these two scenarios. If we see a break below the 19th of March low, 20th of March low, below the 3.7 cent level, yeah, it would clearly favor the blue count. I'm already in favor of the blue count. I think it's also more in line with my expectations about Bitcoin. That would mean that we come down in a C wave once more. But then again, we might not even go down a lot, the lower support area. Yes, it should be tested, but it's not that we have to max it out, right? So we might only test maybe 3.18 cents or 2.69 cents, which is the 50% fib level, and from there we could then start a third wave rally. At the moment, I mean, yep, we have reacted already to the upper support area. We've seen a rally from support into resistance. The nearest resistance level is now the 4.76 level, no, 4.75 cent level, and then above that 5.07. And then, yeah, I mean, this is also a structural resistance area. You can see that we had quite a few spikes and wicks above that 78.6 fib retracement, but the price couldn't sustain there. So this is also a very, very relevant structural resistance level, okay? So this is an ideal area for the price to get rejected if indeed the blue count is unfolding. I think it's worth keeping an open mind about both counts. We've seen in this bull market a lot of shallow pullbacks, a lot of shallow retracements, which would represent the white count. And yeah, I mean, when can I confirm that it's the white count that's already unfolding? Well, I would need to see a convincing breakout above all these highs that were formed in March and February, okay? So that's a break above 5.5 cents. And ideally, it shows us before doing that a 1-2 setup. So basically here the rally and then a higher low. Okay, so that's what I need to see. Let me just double check something. An additional resistance level that we could look at is the 5.97 cent level. Okay, so either way, somewhere in this region between 5 cents and 5.97 cents, I'd like to see the price in the white count, okay, to form another wave 1 and a higher low pullback in a wave 2. But yeah, again, how can we distinguish them? Well, just with a break below 3.7 cents, then it's clearly the blue count. Until then, we just need to wait for a first rally to complete, which is maybe unfolding right now, and then a higher low to hold, for which I will add a support once I see. But at the moment, even this blue wave B could extend a little higher. There's currently no indication of a local top in place. But as I said, both counts are bullish. Okay, that's my update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.